Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm back again with another video tutorial about ComfyUI, and today we will test out different LoRa models for different use cases, like the outfit extractor and transfer LoRa that allows you to take any outfit and transfer it to any reference image, the multi-angle LoRa that allows you to create multi-angle results from one single image, and lastly the relight LoRa that can adjust the light of any type of image. In addition to that, I will show you how you can use it with the Nunchaku models using the Qwen LORA loader Nunchaku nodes. So without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. Okay, first thing off, you need to download the necessary LoRa models. But before that, I will try to show you for another time how you can install the Nunchaku version of the Qwen. I also found out that many of you asked me about this Nunchaku nodes, and they did not know how to install it. So you can use the link under my description here in order to download this ComfyUI easy install. Scroll down here and you can find out the Windows installation title here. Make sure to click under this button, then it will download the necessary file for you. Once it is done, it will install a new version of ComfyUI for you. Make sure to extract this zip file here, then enter this ComfyUI easy install. It will install everything automatically for you. Once it is done, open up this file and you will find out all those files. You can see that we have different run ComfyUI, the NVIDIA GPU and the Sage Attention GPU. But at first you need to install it before you can see this one enabled here. So what you can do is to go to add-on and make sure to install the Nunchaku. It will open up a command windows. Make sure to click any button and it will do automatically everything for you. The same thing goes for the Sage Attention. Make sure to open up this file and it will install everything automatically. Once it is done, make sure to open up this run NVIDIA GPU without Sage Attention, since the Qwen image doesn't work with Sage Attention. Once you open up ComfyUI, make sure to go to Manager, update ComfyUI and update all. After that, open up a new tab and search here for Nunchaku installer. You can see that we have the version, the development version, and the mod. For the version, make sure that the latest is selected in order to install all the necessary latest node. Here I will add this show text in order for you to see what's going on, and make sure to click run. Once you click run, it will also install every necessary node related to the Nunchaku version, and it will show you the results here using this show text. After that, make sure to close this one. Then use the second link here in order to install the Qwen image LoRa loader for the Nunchaku version. Copy the code here. Then go to ComfyUI root folder, search for custom nodes, and here you can type in CMD. Then make sure to type in git clone and paste your code here. Click enter and it will install every necessary file. So once it is done, make sure to restart your ComfyUI. Then drag and drop my workflow here, or you can simply type in here Nunchaku and you will find out the Nunchaku Flux version and also the Nunchaku Qwen image loader. If you can use this node, it means that you successfully installed the Nunchaku version of the Qwen. Okay, now we need to download the necessary models for the outfit transfer and extractor. We will start out with this outfit extractor LoRa, and what we will do, it allows you based on a single image to extract the outfit on a white background, as you can see here. There are different examples and you can clearly see the efficiency of these LoRa models. Make sure to download it from here. Then you can go to the outfit transfer helper. Make sure to also download it from here. A workflow is provided on those Civit AI link. However, I built my own custom workflow dedicated for low VRAM graphic card, and it also uses the Nunchaku version instead of the GGUF or the diffusion models. So this one is more faster and it will give you the same results. Okay, once it is done, make sure to copy and paste the LoRa models under ComfyUI root folder, search for model, then enter the LoRa subfolder. Make sure to paste your models here, then click on refresh here in order to use this workflow. Also make sure to rename your LoRa models in order to find it more easily, because sometimes when you download the LoRa model, it gives you a random name. So make sure to pay attention to that. Good, now that we have everything, you can start using and testing the workflow. The first step is gonna be to select the necessary models. I'm using the Qwen Image Edit Lightning 4 steps version. Then I use this Nunchaku Qwen image loader in order to use the Qwen extract outfit with the strength value of 1.25 and the other Qwen close transfer with the LoRa strength of 1. I tried different LoRa strength value, but those one give me the best results. So I strongly suggest you to stick to those values. Make sure to select your VAE and clip loader. Then the step 2 is gonna be loading your image. As you can see, we have a person image loader and the reference clothing image. Here I want to change the clothes of this young girl, so I need to upload it here. Then I want this young girl to wear the clothes or the dress with this second image here. So to do that, I need to load the reference clothing image on this second load image. After that, this first image is gonna be scaled up to 1 megapixel using these nodes, since we are doing the modification on this target reference image. And it's gonna be taken into consideration using this prompt outfit transfer. So you can see that we have two main group with the text encoding for Qwen Image Edit Plus. The first one is for the outfit extractor, where we're gonna use this reference image as the image one here, both for positive and the negative prompt. And the second one is for our outfit transfer. As you can see, it has as a prompt extract the full body and the full outfit from front and from back on a white background. As for the outfit transfer, we only use the simple word, which is the transfer the outfit. So once it is done, this text encode plus is gonna be used here using this first key sampler in order to create results of this dress into a white background, as we saw on the Civet AI website. Then based on this created image here, we will do the outfit transfer to this lady over here. So let me click run first, and it will give you a better idea about this workflow mechanism. Okay, we have our first results here, and you can clearly see the difference first on the key sampler. Here, for the outfit extract, it took less time compared to the outfit transfer. And you can see the results of the outfit extractor here. It managed to create the image of this dress with the lady with the two sides on the white background. Then we have the results of the outfit transfer, and you can clearly see the amazing results that we get. We preserve the consistency of the first image here. We have the same details, the same cyan, the same poses, the exception of the clothes here, which was changed impressively good. So you can see that this workflow is very accurate for clothes transfer. Let's go back to the key sampler parameters. You can clearly see that we are using 8 steps. I did not try with 4 steps, but it can do the job since we are using a lightning version of this Qwen image edit. The CFG is set to 1, the sampler is set to Euler beta for both of samplers. And for the seed, we have here a fixed seed, since this one gives me the best results here. And for the outfit extractor, I am using a randomized seed for each run. With those parameters, I managed to create any outfit transfer without any issues. However, if you want to speed up the process a little bit, you can add here an easy cache node. I found out that this easy cache works the best with the Qwen image models, and it allows you to gain some boost during your generation. And you can also reduce the steps to 4 in order to reduce the generation time. So this way you will end up with the same results practically in a short amount of time, since we have an easy cache poster, and the sampler will use less step in order to give you the same results. Okay, now I will show you another tips that allows you to use this workflow more properly. Sometimes when I try to use this workflow, it gives me bad results, and the main reason behind that is first the generated seed, and the second reason is the resolution of the input image. As you can see here, I am using a low resolution image. However, using this scale image to pixel, I managed to get a proper results. The same goes for the reference clothing. You need to make sure that you have the same resolution, or at least you can use scale image to pixel in order to increase the resolution to 1024 by 1024. And if you take closer look here, you can clearly see that we have this empty SD3 latent image that is set to this resolution. Make sure to pay attention to the resolution of your input image. This one is for the outfit extractor, so it will work with this reference input image. However, for this prompt outfit transfer, we are using different nodes. Here, let me show you. I am using this get image size that comes directly from the output of this scale image to pixel. Then it will take into consideration the width, the height, in order to use this empty SD3 latent, and all those information are gonna be plugged here into this latent image, and for the outfit transfer and the outfit extractor. So make sure to pay attention to that. And for the outfit transfer, if your intention is to use 4 steps, make sure to use it only on the outfit extractor, as you can see here. But for the outfit transfer, make sure to use an 8 steps. It will give you more consistent results with your images. Okay, now let me show you the results that I get using this workflow. Okay, the first image is the same lady wearing different armor that was extracted from this image. As you can see, the results is quite impressive, and we managed to keep the consistency of the image. The second test I did is with the Spider-Man suits extracted from this image, and it also gave me good results. It managed to keep the environment and the details intact with only clothes changing. However, when I tried to use it with different images, it gave me some bad results here. And the main reason behind that is the LoRa strength, the random seed, and also the resolution of the image. So make sure to pay attention to those details in order to obtain good results. I also wanted to test out the clothes transfer for different pose image. As you can see here, it managed to transfer the clothes with the good perfection, especially for this image over here of this lady raising its hand. It managed to create a good image. And the same thing for all other images. We managed to transfer the clothes without any other problem, at the exception of this one. The LoRa model doesn't take into account this necklace over here, so it did not remove it, but instead it was added above the clothes. So if you are not bothering too much with some accessories clothes, you can keep that up. Okay, the second workflow that I wanted to show you is the multi-angle and the relight workflow using LoRa model. Here you can clearly see that we have another new workflow. But before going any further, you need to download the necessary model for that. Let's start with the multi-angle workflow. You can use the link under my description, and here you can find out that we have a workflow provided by creator of this LoRa model, and the LoRa model itself here in Chinese. Make sure to download this LoRa models. Once it is done, go to ComfyUI root folder and place it here. However, you need to rename it. Since it is in Chinese, make sure to rename it to Qwen multi-angle LoRa. Once it is done, do the same for the Qwen relight LoRa. Make sure to use this link, copy and paste. Then go to file and version, and here you can see that we have the Qwen edit relight LoRa. Make sure to download it and place it under the LoRa subfolder too. As you can see, we are still using the Nunchaku version of the Qwen Image Edit Plus with the Nunchaku Qwen Image LoRa loader. And here on the loading model subgroup, you can clearly see that I have 2 columns for the nodes. Let's first start with the clip and the VAE, which are the same. I am using the same model, however, we are using a different LoRa loader. As you can see, I duplicated these nodes in order to obtain different results using the same model. Here we have the multi-angle LoRa with the LoRa strength of 1.25. I also added here the easy cache for some speed boost. And we have the model sampling Oraflow and the CFG norm for the accuracy of the results. And on the second column here, you can clearly see that we are using the Nunchaku Qwen Image LoRa stack. Of course, you can use the same Qwen Image LoRa loader. I only wanted to test out this one. The strength value is set to 1 here. And we also have the easy cache, model sampling Oraflow, and the CFG norm. All those models are gonna be used in different key sampler and text encoders, as we did for the first key sampler. Then on the second step here, we have our loading image, which gonna be scaled into 1 megapixel. Then it's gonna be encoded, sent as a latent. The third step is gonna be prompting, and we have different keywords in order to obtain different results. As you can see, I regrouped all the necessary keywords here, as move the camera forward, move it to the left, to the right, and etc. You also have the Chinese version of this keyword because sometimes the model doesn't work well with the English prompts. So all you have to do is copy and paste. As for example here, I asked for turn the camera to the top view. I leave the negative prompt as it is. Then this first key sampler is going to create my results. And as you can see here, I managed to obtain this picture. It keeps the consistency of the image intact. We have the same environment and the same details of this lady here. And I add this image compare in order for you to compare more about this node. So it managed to turn out this image successfully without any other issue. Of course, you can do that without the LoRa. However, the consistency of the result will not be as much accurate as with this LoRa. So once it is done, this result is gonna be taken into consideration with this second key sampler here and this second text encode image edit plus, where we're gonna use the relight LoRa in order to change the lighting of this obtained new image here. And you can clearly see the results between the two images. It is not very obvious. However, here we have an intense lighting which is not consistent compared to our image here. This first results kept the same lighting as the input image that we provided on the first place. However, with this relight, it will analyze the image and adjust the lighting according to the position of the image. So if your intention is to retouch the lighting of the image while editing the angle, this workflow combination is the best for you. Another thing that I want to show you here is how you can use different prompt in order to obtain different results with multi-angle. And the best way to do that is through new nodes, which is CR prompt list. This nodes here allows you to use different prompt. For example, if I want to use for prompt as with the same run, all I have to do is copy and paste everything here. Make sure that every prompt end up with the point in order to avoid some misleading. After that, I will directly plug the prompt here into this text encode plus, then click run. However, you can also use it using the get node here and the set node. All you have to do is set this as a prompt list, then use the get node in order to obtain this one. After that, we will use directly this prompt list here. This way is gonna directly use the prompt that we add here and create 4 different images for your needs. Let me just click run and I will show you the results. Okay, we have the results of our multi-angle test. I used a different input image, and as you can see, it managed to create the multi-angle perfectly, at the exception of this one where I asked for a close-up or zoom-in prompt, and it gave me a top view prompt like I asked for the last image. So sometimes it seems to doesn't understand what we really need. The best way to fix it is changing the seed or the LoRa strength. Okay, for the relight version, the result is not very obvious since the lighting on this input image is practically very uniform. You can also observe that on the shadow of the lady. It is practically the same compared to those images. So the relight version also needs some tips in order to make it work. And you can also add a second image here, which is gonna be taken as a reference light source in order for you to change the lighting of the image. So I did not put this LoRa into intensive test. I will share the results with you on social media. I also tried to test different input image. As you can see here, it managed to give me what I really need with this image without any issue. But sometimes it does not follow all the prompt and the instruction were provided. As you can see, for this images of a bird, I only got the top view version angle. However, for other angles, I did many tests and it did not succeed to give me what I want. It only sometimes tilt the camera toward a certain direction. However, it is not what we asked for. And the best way to fix that is through prompting here. As you can see, I found out that this LoRa model understands the Chinese prompting better than English. You also need to pay attention to the prompting list by adding a dot here at the end of every prompt in order for the model to understanding more easily. So you need and by doing so, I managed to also get the proper results using this input image. As you can see, I obtained different angle with the zoom in and the top view angle. Okay, that's it for today's tutorial. So if you really want to do virtual try-on or outfit transfer, I strongly suggest you to use the first workflow. It can give you a good result with stunning precision while keeping the consistent of the input image, and it only changes the clothes without any other technique like masking or additional complex prompt. However, for the second image, we can obtain these results without the LoRa. The LoRa is only here to give more accurate results and consistency. But for the relight version, I did not try it intensively. Of course, as I told you, you can add and input image as a reference lighting, but in order to obtain different results. If you like this video, please push the like button for me, subscribe to my channel, leave me some comments down below, and don't forget to become a Patreon member of my Patreon page, where you can get early access to my workflow and ask me for additional help. Thank you.